Hi there, friends. If eFootball 2026 is not working, not opening, freezing, or crashing on your Android phone, don't worry. This is a common issue that can happen after a game update due to corrupted cache files, insufficient storage space, or compatibility problems. Fortunately, there are several simple solutions you can try to get the game running smoothly again. First, make sure your device has enough free storage space. eFootball 2026 often requires additional temporary storage during updates and game optimization. It is recommended to keep at least 5 GB to 10 GB of free internal storage available. If your phone is running low on space, delete unnecessary files, unused apps, or move photos and videos to cloud storage. Next, force stop the game and clear its cache. Open your phone settings menu and go to Apps or Applications. Find and select eFootball from the list of installed apps. Tap for Stop and confirm the action. After that, open Storage or Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. If the issue continues, tap Clear Data as well. Keep in mind that clearing data may reset some local game settings, so make sure your account is linked before doing this. Another important step is checking for game updates. Open the Google Play Store, search for eFootball and visit the official game page. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Install the latest version and wait for the process to finish completely. Game developers frequently release updates that fix crashes, performance issues, and compatibility bugs. If no update is available and the game still won't launch, try uninstalling and reinstalling eFootball. A fresh installation can replace damaged game files and resolve many startup problems. Once the installation is complete, restart your Android device before launching the game again. Finally, open eFootball 2026 and sign in to your existing account or create a new one if necessary. In most cases, these troubleshooting steps will successfully fix crashing, loading, and startup issues, allowing you to enjoy the game without interruptions.